Right now, in real time, Lamine Yamal is making $5.80 every second. Since you clicked play, he's already made $40. He's 18 years old. He didn't inherit it. He didn't win the lottery. He didn't go viral overnight. And the system behind that number, it's nothing like what they taught you in school. This is your life as Lamine Yamal, and by the end of this video, you're going to understand money in a way most people never will. Most people watch Yamal score for Barcelona and think he's just lucky. But luck doesn't explain what happens to $350,000 every single week. Where does it go? What does it actually cost to be him at 18? And what is the 2026 World Cup about to do to all of it? 7 levels, 6 minutes. Let's build it brick by brick. Level 1, the headline. 320,577 euros per week. That's 350,000 US dollars every single week, guaranteed until 2031. Let's break that down. $50,000 a day, $2,083 an hour, $34 a minute, 58 cents every second. The average American makes $23 an hour. Yamal makes $23 in the time it takes to read one sentence. And his release clause, the fee you'd have to pay to take him from Barcelona, 1 billion euros. Not a typo, 1 billion euros. But here's what nobody tells you. Almost none of the 350,000 stays. Level 2, the Spanish tax guillotine. Spain's top income tax bracket, 47%. On 350,000 a week, the government takes 164,000 every week. That's $8.5 million a year gone before Yamal sees a single dollar. What's left? $186,000 a week. Still more than most people make in 3 years, but the feeding frenzy is just getting started. Level 3, the people who built his career, and they don't work for free. Agents, lawyers, financial advisors, industry standard is 10 to 15%, another $35,000 to $52,000 out the door every week. We're now sitting at roughly $130,000 to $150,000 a week in Yamal's actual pocket, which is still more than most Americans earn in 3 years. But Yamal is 18, and he has a life to live, and that life does not run cheap. Level 4. The cost of being Lamine Yamal in 2026. He just bought a 15 million euro mansion outside Barcelona, 6 bedrooms, 2 pools, 1 indoor, 1 outdoor, private gym, and a recording studio previously owned by Shakira. His girlfriend is Nicki Nicole, a pop star with millions of followers. The social expectations of that relationship alone are not a budget conversation. For his 18th birthday, he rented a private villa in the Garraf Natural Park, 40,000 euros a night, one night for a birthday. At his level, this isn't excessive. This is just what a regular Tuesday looks like. Everything we've covered so far, that's just his Barcelona paycheck. His real income machine doesn't wear a football kit.
Next level!
Level 5, the brand empire. Yamal is the global face of Adidas. His endorsement deal alone is estimated at over $10 million a year, on top of his salary. That's another $192,000 a week in brand income. Pepsi, luxury watchmakers, fashion houses, multiple global brands are actively negotiating with his team right now. The conservative total annual income in 2026? $35 to $40 million. The median American household earns $75,000 a year. Yamal earns that in less than 24 hours every single day.
Level 6, and this is the one that nobody is pricing in yet. The 2026 World Cup. Spain are among the tournament favorites. Their squad is built around one player. You know who. If Spain win and Yamal delivers on that global stage, he becomes arguably the most famous 19-year-old on the planet. His Adidas contract gets renegotiated at double the rate, sponsorship fees reset globally, entire new categories of brands open their doors. That 40 million annual income becomes 70 million, possibly 80 million. One tournament, one winner's medal, One moment in front of 1 billion people, and you don't just have wealth, you have dynasty money. Level 7, and this is the one most people miss entirely. Yamal's biggest income doesn't come from his contract, it comes from his name. He earns 3 times more from what he represents than from what he does. That's not luck, that's a system. La Masia, Barcelona's youth academy, is the most efficient talent monetization machine in the history of sport. His family invested when he was 6, Barcelona invested at 8, Adidas invested at 16. The principle behind all of it? Wealth isn't built by working harder. Wealth is built when your value compounds independently of your hours. Salary is you working for money. A brand is money working for you. At 18, Lamine Yamal already has both. The question isn't whether you'll ever earn what he earns. The question is, which one are you still building? Which level are you living right now? Drop the number 1 through 7 in the comments. We read every single one. If this hit different, subscribe. We break down every income bracket, every lifestyle, every financial reality exactly like this. And for World Cup 2026, the real story? World Cup Insider link below. Let's build.